Hi, in this video I will show you how to install IPTV Smarters Pro on Philips Smart TV. So in order to do that, I have in here this article by Digitonica that shows us how to install that. So what you can do in this case is to make sure to turn on your Philips TV and connect it to a Wi-Fi. Then click on the apps icon in order to that and then choose or select the Google Play Store. You can just head over and hit the search icon and then type Smart IPTV using the keyboard and then tap on the install that will actually appear after that. So from in there, you just need to launch the IPTV on your Philips CB and then note the MAC address displayed on the TV screen. So in there, just launch your browser and then head over to the website of IPTV and then activate it. Choose your payment method and then just enter your MAC address, fill in the links or playlist, select on I'm not a robot and then activate it from in there as well. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.